In this video we'll learn two types of operators, that is comparison and logical operators. First, let's see what are comparison operators. These operators compare values and return true or false. First we have the equality operator. Let's create two variables. Now print x equal to y. This double equal symbol will check if x and y are equal or not. If they are equal it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So let's run the code. And it prints false as expected. We can also save the return value in a different variable like this. And now if we print result it will display same output. Let's clear the console and run the code. If we change y to 10 and then run the code, result will have true. And now if I change one of these variables to a string like this, it will again output true. This is because double equal performs type coercion. JavaScript will attempt to convert one or both of the operands to the same type before making the comparison. Let's see some examples. Here the output will be true because string 5 is converted to a number. Here false will be converted to 0. And when comparing empty string to false, output will also be true due to type coercion. If you don't want this behavior, you can use the strict equality operator. First, if I use double equal, it will print true. But using triple equal will print false. The triple equal symbol compares the value and also the type. And here the type is different, so it prints false. So please keep in mind the difference between triple and double equal. Next we have inequality operator. Let's see its examples. Let num1 equals 8. Num2 equals 17. If we do num1 is not equal to num2, then it will print true because the two numbers are not equal. But if we print num1 not equal to 8, then it will return false. This operator also does type coercion. So comparing string with number like this will return false because both values are equal. But if we use strict inequality operator, that is, not equal to, then it will print true because although the value is same, types are different here. We can use other data types as well with these operators. Let's see some examples. Comparing string together. Here we used equality operator to check if strings are equal or not. We can also use inequality operator for other types like strings. Similarly, we can also use Boolean. In the next example we'll compare null. If we check undefined not equal to null, it will print false. But if we use the strict inequality here, it will return true. Null and undefined are loosely equal. But they are not strictly equal because they have different types. Next we have greater than operator. 19 is greater than 12 will return true. -8 greater than 3 returns false. -17 greater than 17 will return false. But if we use the greater than or equal to operator, it will return true. We can also check whether one operand is smaller than the other. 120 less than 83 returns false. While -14 less than 10 will return true since -14 is smaller. Similarly, we can check if a value is less than or equal to another value. We can also use strings here. If we do ABC greater than equal to AED, it will check string letter by letter and compare their ASCII code. If you search on your browser ASCII table and open any of them, you should see a table similar to this one. Here we have ASCII code for different character. For example, small a has a code of 97 and small b is 98. Similarly, capital A is 65 and capital B is 66. So when comparing strings, JavaScript first compares first characters which are equal in this example, then it compares second characters of each string. Since ASCII code of B is smaller than E, it will return false. Similarly, you can also use strings with other operators like less than or equal to, etc. Now we'll see the logical operators. These operators combine Boolean expressions. Let's create two variables and print x less than y and x triple equal to 4. Output of this code will be true. The first expression x less than y will return true. And x triple equal to 4 will also return true. So true and true will become true. Before moving forward, let's see truth table for and. True and true is true. True and false is false. False and true is false. And finally, false and false is also false. So when using AND operator, if a single expression returns false, result will be false. Let's see another example. Create two variables. X equals null. And y equals 10. Now print x triple equal to null. And y less than or equal to 10. Since both expressions are true, it will return true. And now print x triple equal to 19. And y is less than or equal to 10. Here first expression is false and for and operator, if single expression is false, JavaScript will stop its evaluation there and it will not check y less than or equal to 10 and return false. But if first expression is true, it will check second is true or not to determine the final result. This is called short-circuit evaluation or short-circuiting in JavaScript. Then we have OR operator. Let's see its truth table first. True or true is true. True or false is true. False or true is also true. Finally, false or false is false. So when using OR operator, if a single expression returns true, it will return true. Let's see some examples. Create a variable isWeekend equals true. Let temperature equals 20. Now use OR operator to combine two expressions. Is weekend or temperature greater than 20? First expression is true. And second is false. Now print result. Since one of the expressions is true, so result will be true. The evaluation will short-circuit there and second expression will not be evaluated. Let's see another example. Is logged in equal to true? Now we'll check is logged in equal to null. Or is logged in equal to undefined? If first expression is false, OR operator, we'll check the second expression to determine the result. In this case both are false, so output will also be false. Next logical operator is the NOT operator. It is a unary operator that negates the Boolean expression. For example, not true is false. And not false is true. To see another example, we'll create a new variable x equal to 10. Result equal to x less than 20. Now we can show result on console. It'll print true. But if I use NOT operator to negate the value, it will print false. Similarly, instead of printing NOT result, we can take NOT of this entire statement like this. And print result. So the NOT operator first evaluates the result of expression, then negate it. If it is false, it makes it true, and vice versa. In the next video we will learn assignment operators. Until then, practice everything you learnt today and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.